Look, this is all opinion based, so don't come at me in my comments. I'm just trying to make you dress as good as possible. And today I'm gonna tell you 7 shirts that in my opinion, I've gotten rid of in my closet because they just don't look good. Let's hop into this. Number 1, the wife beater. Look, if you're using this athletically or super casually, go for it. But this type of shirt should not be worn as a primary shirt. This is the main problem here. Most guys are using this shirt to actually go out with, which looks ridiculous. You need to understand that a wife beater is designed to be underwear. So you're basically going out in your underwear. The only time that these wife beaters end up looking good is when this undergarment goes from being a main piece to a secondary piece. So some guys are really smart with this and they'll layer some sort of button down or flowy short sleeve button down on top of it, at which point that wife beater becomes an undergarment again and that top layer becomes the main piece, which is how it should be. Number 2, a tight hoodie. I'm talking about those like really skin tight ones, like they're almost like the athletic type. And look, again, this is all opinion based, but when I think about hoodie, I'm thinking about comfort. When I think about a hoodie, I want to be relaxed. And when I see those, they just look uncomfortable. They just don't look natural or like what a hoodie should have been. And look, I might be a little bit biased because that's how my hoodies are designed. However, Champion takes the credit, or at least they say that they are the originators of the hoodie. And when you look at that original hoodie, which was supposed to be a workwear piece, it's supposed to be an oversized piece that gives you comfort and warmth. When you see the complete opposite from what it should have been originally, it just doesn't look right. Again, it's not that it looks unstylish, it's that the alternative, which is a looser cut, feels so much more comfortable and you're gonna feel better in it. Number 3, graphic tees. And I'm talking about like the tacky ones with like the tacky quotes on. I'm not talking about the vintage or the band tees. Those look dope. I'm talking about the really tacky graphic tees. Those need to go. See, the problem with graphic tees is that, man, you're really having a missed opportunity here. The bar is set so low for men to look stylish that with just a simple white or black tee, it's more than enough for you to look sexy. And too many guys are missing the boat by wearing some tacky graphic t-shirt when you could have worn an Essentials bamboo tee. See, our Essentials bamboo tee, they're hard to get. I'm not gonna lie, they're always sold out, like always. We've sold over 300,000 units of this Essentials bamboo tee, and that's mainly because we worked so hard on perfecting the fit. It became the world's best t-shirt. The fit is insane and it makes you look and feel sexy. On top of that, our bamboo fabric, which is a proprietary blend, is super luxurious. You throw on this t-shirt, you'll never go back to regular cotton t-shirts again. Like the luxurious feel that our bamboo tees have, it's unlike anything else, and that's why they sell out so fast. On top of the benefits that bamboo is a naturally antibacterial fabric, which means it helps keep you fresh all day. Well, these bamboo tees are our best-selling item and they always sell out. But today, boys, we just did a restock on these popular items, which is our bamboo tees and our Tencel tees. I told you guys yesterday about them. If I were you, I'd be running right now, clicking the link down below and picking one up in every single color. Matter of fact, we actually do have a bundle package where we put all the colors in a bundle, so you can just check out the bundle, and the bundle gets you 20% off, which is insane. It's a massive discount, and that way you get all the colors all at once as quick as possible before it sells out. See, our main goal this year is I don't want to be sold out. You have no idea how many comments, how many complaints, how many emails I get all the time of customers being pissed because they land on our site and there's nothing there. Our goal this year, boys, we're doing heavy investments where we're trying to buy as much inventory as possible so we always have stock. So you always can go and buy the best t-shirt in the world. If you guys want to check out this restock and any of our other essential products, they're going to be linked down below. Which rolls us on to number 4, deep V-necks. Look, straight up, they're out of style. Like, these actually are out of style. Personally, every V-neck in my wardrobe, they're gone. V-neck sweaters, V-neck t-shirts, they're just gone. Crew neck, it's a better option. Number 5, long line t-shirts, also out of style. Very dated. This was never a classic trend, and because of that, it cyclically just went out of fashion, which is why you shouldn't just wear them anymore. You look like 2015 Justin Bieber, and it looks disproportionately too long. Number 6, dress shirts as regular casual button-ups. See, many guys just see a button-up shirt and believe that they can wear it untucked as a casual shirt. The problem is that there's 2 different types of button-down shirts. You have your casual button-downs and your dress shirt button-downs. And the easiest way to tell the difference is in their length. if your dress shirt is long enough that it covers your butt, or at least half your butt, this is a shirt that was meant to be tucked in, and it's that long, so it stays tucked in all day. If your shirt, however, doesn't cover your bottom area and it stops right around your crotch area, this is a shirt that was meant to be untucked, and it's your casual button down. And finally, number 7, gym compression shirts. Again, in the gym, casually, at home, these are great. As a main styling piece, it just looks out of place. It looks like you're trying too hard to show off the gains, and nobody likes that. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our essentials restock for our bamboo and our tensile tees. These things tend to move fast. If I were you, I'd click that link down below and check them out. That's it for me today. See you next time.